This here is a Damon Challenger. I want to say this is a 2001 model, but here on the steps I've got some water damage. So I'm gonna pull basically this whole area out and rebuild it. Kind of surprised me when I got up underneath of it and looked at it. From the factory, it was built with wood and just lined with a real thin layer of tin to keep the weather from it. So I'm thinking I might beef it up a little bit and make the whole main bottom step basket out of steel this time. I'm getting ready to pull it around now and get it situated so I can start pulling this whole thing apart. But just wanted to kind of give you guys a first look at what we're doing here. This job, actually, the guy also wants a quote on putting a Lure wood floor in. They do a lot of ATV off-roading, so they just use this to pull their trailer. And they're tired when they get to these mud parks and they're tracking in the dirt and sand, and it's hard for them to clean it. So they want to strip out all the carpet and do a wood floor, something similar to what I did in mine. So I'm going to work them up a price on that and do a couple other little things. I think they're having some problems with the hydraulic jacks, and this slide out seems to be coming out about an inch at the bottom as they're driving down the road. So we're going to take a look at that too. And really nice motor coach here, just needs a little love. Yeah, mechanical step pulled off to expose what was underneath of the steps here, and from the bottom side it is just a complete rot. There's nothing stable here at all anymore. As you can see, this is all what was pulled off. Nothing was there holding it. The patch that they had previously put on a little piece of plywood and some diamond plate steel, that was about the only thing that was really giving it any integrity. But as you can see here, I mean, this is the bottom of the floor, and I mean, I'm going to be pushing it out here in just a few minutes. I'm just still taking some notes and measurements and kind of getting an idea of what I'm going to do here. But I just wanted to show you what was underneath. There was some 2x4s here that were lining the very bottom of the floor, but not much left of them either, as you can see, rotted out. Yeah, I mean, this is, there you go. There's the ground. So, alright, I'll keep you posted as I rebuild. I'm getting this Damon Challenger back together. I know it's going to be kind of hard to see out here, it's so sunny. Just kind of pre-fitting everything right now. Nothing is permanent. Now I've already made the new floor, new sidewalls, cut all the new 2x4s, which all of this stuff here is going to get screwed in and liquid nailed. And I'm also going to put another sheet of plywood on top of this here. I decided not to go back. I was going to do this in steel. I was talked out of that by my sheet metal guy. He said it'd be better to go back with this the way it was from the factory and just use a little better materials. Also going to seal this stuff real good, and I'm going to put an undercoating on the outside of underneath just to protect the wood from the weather. It's coming together. Got to cut one more piece here for the face of the step, and I was talking to the owner of this coach, and he was pointed out this tray, which I believe is a cooler. So when you're camping, you can put some drinks in that and keep people from going in and out. I have a feeling that somebody used this in the past, and with the way that the drain was, somehow or another, you can tell that this had been tampered with. Maybe this could have possibly caused a problem if somebody left water in it, and I don't know, who knows. But I'm going to seal that plug back in. I'm going to drill a hole and run a rubber hose out through the bottom, to where if they do want to use this, that's fine, and we won't have to worry about any leaking. I would encourage them not to use it as a cooler and just use it as dry storage, but either way, got some new aluminum trim for the corners here. Yep. Coming together. Alright, I'll let you see it when it's all done. Hopefully I'll have it finished this evening. Making progress. These boards here will finish off the floor. I'll glue and screw those in. Still have to glue and screw that side piece in. And I think I'm going to come back with this. I had some leftover trim. Let me put that there just to give a little extra stability. I'm going to carpet or cover this somehow anyway so you won't see it. But that'll just be a little extra insurance. Alright guys, the Damon Challenger is finished. The water damage on the steps, all done. Got everything undercoated, sealed up. Turned out very nice. Still gonna look around and see if I can't find something to put on the that exposed plywood there. I'm guessing there was carpet, but we don't have that any longer. So, and I don't have any carpet that would look good on here, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and see what the owner wants to do. Could even just put a coat of paint on it, but I'll wait and discuss that with him. But it turned out well. Got some good solid steps. I went ahead and sealed up this storage. We're not going to keep the drain in it anymore. I have a feeling that could have possibly caused the water damage in the past. So it can still be used as a cooler, but you'll just have to take it out to drain the water. That sealed up the drain. But I think he'll be very pleased. Turned out very well. Good and solid. Should not have any problems. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If y'all are doing a repair like this and have any questions, leave me a message. Or just leave a message in the comments. And I'll help you any way I can. I'm going to wash this bad boy up and she'll be ready to go. Alright guys, y'all have a good day.